The Magical Traffic Light Adventure. An enchanting world where traffic lights are animated and vibrant. Join us as we explore a realm where traffic lights come to life, teaching children the vital importance of obeying their signals. Welcome, young adventurers, to the land of the magical traffic lights. We have a special lesson to share about following our signals and staying safe on the roads. Look at the traffic lights. They are talking. What are they going to teach us? We're here to guide you through the importance of listening to our signals and obeying road safety rules. And so, our adventure begins in the enchanting world of traffic lights, where each light has its own unique personality. Red is my color, and I mean stop. I'm yellow, the signal to slow down and prepare. Green is my hue, giving you the go-ahead. When you see us, remember to stop at red, slow down at yellow, and go at green. Why is that car not stopping at the red light? That's a reckless driver, not following our signal. Let's show them the right way. The magical traffic lights use their magic to illuminate the correct signals, guiding the reckless driver to stop. Whoa, the traffic light changed. I better stop now. Great job, team. We've helped a driver understand the importance of obeying signals. Our adventure continues as we visit a pedestrian crossing, where pedestrians and vehicles are navigating the intersection. Remember, at a pedestrian crossing, our red hand signal means stop and wait. When the white walking signal appears, it's safe for pedestrians to cross. The magical traffic lights synchronize their signals to ensure a safe crossing for pedestrians. It's like they're choreographing a dance of safety. The magical traffic lights and children stand together, observing the safe and organized street. By understanding and obeying our signals, we can make the road safer for everyone. Remember, young adventurers, we're here to guide you on your road safety journey. Thank you, magical traffic lights, for teaching us about road safety.